Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden.
Yeah, man, y'all see it. We over here at the old home of the OFF. You dig what I'm saying? Still in the process of dismantling this thing. So what we're gonna do today is go ahead, clip the fence off all these T-posts, then show y'all how to work that T-post puller and pull these T-posts out of here. I think it's about 60 of them. You dig what I'm saying? Then we're gonna head up there to the top side. Did what I mean? And start working with those raised bed and getting those up out of there. You did what I'm saying? Because eventually we got to get all of this stuff up out of here. You did what I'm saying? We got the chicken shawl back there. You did what I mean? That is a mobile chicken tractor, chicken coop basically. You can move that around, put a little fence around it so your chickens can't get out of what have you, and raise them up free range style so they can eat that good grass. You did what I'm saying? But about to go ahead, jump off into it. Cut this fence off these poles and get these T-posts out the ground. You dig? Okay, this is the motion. We're gonna take these wire cutters right here and just basically go around to each of the T-posts and snip it all the way down. You know what I'm saying? That is the easy way that we can get this fence up off of this T-post. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna leave the ends of the fence is connected, so when I come back through here again and ready to roll these fences up, it'll be a lot easier to do. Just did it, popped all the wires that's holding the fence to the T-post. You did what I'm saying? Now I get to show y'all how to use that right there. That's that T-post puller. You did what I'm saying? But first off, I really do like these T-posts. They're one of my favorite type of fencing posts to use because as you see that spade right there, you go down and drive the T-post down probably about a foot and a half. You did what I'm saying? These are 5.5 foot T-posts, the ones with the white tips, and the ones with the little brownish looking tips on them, those are 5 foot. So like I said, you drill these things in the ground with that T-post driver, as you've seen me use plenty of times before. You know what I'm saying? But now I'm about to show y'all how this little ratchet, little simple little system, you did what I'm saying, works to pull these T-posts up. Because like I say, that spade down there at the bottom, that's an anchor. You did what I'm saying? That anchor gets in the ground to make sure that that T-post can't come straight up. And you can keep all types of animals in here. You know what I'm saying? T-posts come in the variations of sizes. You did what I mean? So I think 8 feet, 10 feet, and all that. You know what I mean? Just look it up. You can find what you want. You did what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to pull it up out of here so we can get up out of here and move everything to another location. You dig? Alright, as you can see, there's an opening right here in the T-post puller. That's where you put the T-post in. You dig what I'm saying? These notches on the other side is what grips the T-post puller and actually pulls it up like a ratchet situation. You want to make sure that that base is flat, pull it down, and as it locks in, it locks all the way in and press down. Now, when you let back up, that automatically resets itself. Push up again. And voila, the T-post is up.
Yeah, it's an outdoor lifestyle. Yeah, man, we getting it wild with that boy Lelo. It's going down right now. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. It's an outdoor lifestyle with that boy Lelo. We getting it in right now. It's an outdoor lifestyle. Yeah, man, we getting it wild with that boy Lelo.
Alright, as you can see, I done took down all the inside poles off the fence. You did what I'm saying? But now, since the sun is starting to set and it's starting to get a little dark over here, we're gonna go ahead and move over here to the raised bed so I can start pulling them up. You did what I'm saying? So we can always come back and pull up these other T-posts that's on the outside. So we still gotta come back and roll up this fence. You did what I'm saying? So we're gonna move over here to the raised beds and get it popping. You dig? Yeah, man. Y'all see it up here in the raised beds. You did what I'm saying? We're having a little bit growth, you did what I mean, but not substantial, because as y'all can see, that sun is already behind the trees, and it is just 1 o'clock, you did what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these borders up like that, hopping them back on the truck, or throwing them back on the truck rather, so we can take them over to another location, you did what I'm saying, and store them in the meantime, in between time, before we find out what we got popping off, you did what I'm saying. Also trying to get up out of here ASAP, like, because I got meetings today, so we can make some decisions about the outdoor fresh farm and see what we really got going on and what we can keep on doing here in the ATL, you did what I'm saying. So like I said, y'all about to watch it, see what really it takes to get all this stuff up out of here, and y'all saw what it takes to get it in, you did what I'm saying, cause we gotta get dirt and everything else after this, you dig?
Right now, it's an outdoor lifestyle. Yeah, man, we getting it wild with that boy Lelo. It's going down right now. Yeah, man, we getting it wild. It's an outdoor lifestyle.
Alright, as y'all can see, your boy having some major troubles getting these poles up out the ground because of the water and the dirt in there has done started making it a little bit more friction. So it's giving me some troubles, but we're gonna get what we can get so we can get up out of here and make it to this meeting on time. You dig?
You can catch me outside. Yeah, man, I'm out the door. This outdoor lifestyle, Lelo with it, you already know. You can catch me outside. Yeah, man, I'm out the door. You can catch me outside. Yeah,
man. Just out here chilling for a second before I head out there to that meet. Did what I'm saying? As you see, we got more to get up. Did what I mean? Just not enough time right now to make it happen. But we're gonna make it happen because we gotta make it happen. You did what I'm saying? Just out here looking at these beautiful, beautiful bok choy. You did what I'm saying? And just admiring, you know, how beautiful the leaves are. How good they taste. You did what I'm saying? But out to me, if you know me, you know I do not like to be late. So we're gonna head on over there so we can go check it out, see what they talking about. You dig? Yeah, man. Y'all see it back over here at the Outdoor Fresh Farm. Well, the farmer Outdoor Fresh Farm. You did what I'm saying. Had a very good meeting. I'll tell y'all about that in a second. You did what I'm saying. But y'all see what I did since last time. I just pulled out all the poles. You know what I'm saying? So there's nothing holding that fence up. You did what I mean? It'll be a lot easier for me to roll it up if we have one end up, because it's just me. You did what I'm saying? But today, the mission is to go ahead and knock down this little shed. You did. Your boy Lelo be engineering that thing. And I made this for the goats and Lolo, so they can get up under this shelter and get away from the elements, the rain and things. You did what I'm saying? So I put it together, you know what I'm saying? And it's very, very sturdy. Y'all about to see it real quick how sturdy it is. You did what I'm saying? So we about to go in, make it happen for this rain get too bad out here, or this weather get too bad out here, I should say. You dig?
Outside, yeah, man, I'm out the door. You can catch me outside, yeah, man, I'm out the door. You can catch me outside, yeah, man, I'm out the door. This outdoor lifestyle, Lelo with it, you already know. You can catch me outside, yeah, man, I'm out the door.
Yeah, man, y'all see, just making it do what it do over here at the farmer Outdoor Fresh Farm. We was getting it on that for a little minute, but we in the relocation and reconciliation stage right now. We think we done found a home, but we're gonna keep that on the hush till everything is for show, for show. You did what I'm saying? Y'all saw I had to get everything up out of here. Still gotta roll up the fences and everything, but it's starting to drizzle a little bit. You did what I mean? And I know the rain is coming, so we're not gonna play like that. You did what I'm saying? But I appreciate all y'all for supporting your boy. You did what I mean this whole time, but don't worry, we got more on the way. You You know what I'm saying? This is not gonna stop no process. Just a small little detour. We're not even calling it a delay. You dig what I'm saying? So make sure you like, share, and hit that little bell thing down there. That's the subscribe button. You dig what I'm saying? So you'll know from your notifications and everything when your boy Lelo got something going on, and when I bloop, bloop, pop up something on his YouTube. You dig what I'm saying? Now y'all be easy, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.